What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be installing some carbon fiber mirrors on my STI. I've been having this for a while, but I've been slacking, or I've been having them laying around in my room for a while. And today we finally decided to install these carbon fiber mirrors. They look pretty dope, and it took about a year for them to arrive at my house. So yes, let's get to it. Alright, so we are going to be replacing these mirrors. I think these are aftermarket as well. Comes with turn signal light, but we're going to be replacing them today. And we are going to be installing these carbon fiber mirrors right here. Pretty nice, huh? And I bought these separately, and I made these cuts myself. And I'm gonna be putting this together. Had to put this together as well. But yeah. Que tenemos el Juanito. The DJ. Okay, dime compa. So in order to take this mirror off, we had to take these screws off. We had one. And the second one right there. And we gotta remove this piece right here.
Entonces se quita el door panel, güey.
Un poquillo lo voy a jalar nada más. No necesito quitarlo todo. So we also had to remove these screws right here. We had one, two, and third one right there, which I already removed before. So now I'm just gonna and pull this door panel out a little bit. Now you gotta be careful when you pull, because you could either break the clips inside of it. Alright, so while you unscrewed all those, we had to it's hard to see, but there's like a connector somewhere in there, so we had to unplug that in order to still remove the mirror. Alright, so we had to use a flat screwdriver. So pretty much what you do, you just push in, and at the same time you have to pull it out. Alright, that's what she said. And then bang, there, comes out pretty easy. So now we're doing the same thing on this side, same process, same everything. You already know. Now it's a little bit hard to get to the last one in there. Now I'm gonna be putting this together. Trying to figure out how it goes. Like that, and then this piece goes inside there. As we can see, we're probably gonna have to cut a little bit on that corner right there, so that way we can be able to close the door. So don't try this at home. Very dangerous.
Ahí tengo una lija, güey, con una lija le puedes quitar más aquí. Lo doblaste con la vibración para abajo. Y lo entristeciste, güey. Vale a probar a ver si sí. Ya no topa. Porque según yo lo que le querías quitar era la puntilla, no se la quitaste. Mira, no se
También. Con la lija, ¿no? Ahorita. Alright, so now we're gonna put everything back together, put the balls back on, and so we already cut the corner and we already sand it out. It's not hitting in the corner anymore, it's not hitting, so now we're gonna bolt it on and we'll see the final result here in a minute.
Hay que bajarlo de este lado y subirlo de este. Así.
So this side is done. Sorry, you guys can see. So it requires a lot of work, you know, but I'm happy with the result. It looks pretty good. Looks pretty damn good. So we are done with one side. Now we have to get the other side done. Sun is going down and I'll show you guys the ending result. Alright guys, so we're almost done. We're just pretty much sanding the corner right there because same thing that happened on the other side. This corner was hitting right there. You guys can see it's a little bit chip right there, but doesn't matter. So like I said, we're sanding it down. That corner right there is hitting on this, on the fender right here. So see un poquitillo más. So we just need to, yeah, that little corner right there needs to come out, and it should be able to be done.
All the happy days you gave me, today, to the
Alright guys, so this is it for this video, and I hope you guys like the mirrors the same way I do, because I think it makes the car stand out a little bit more. And I don't know, I like the way the mirrors look. So yeah, like I said, this is it for this video, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and let me know down below what you think about these carbon fiber mirrors. Do you like it? Do you think it looks ugly? I don't know, let me know what you think. I might show you guys real quick. I think you guys already saw it earlier, but look at that. It's a big fat booty right there. You guys remember that used to be my Z. Now it belongs to my guy right here, Lester. And yeah, but yeah, like I said, I'm gonna keep making more content for you guys. Summer is almost here. And a lot of big things are coming. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below. Let me know what you think about these carbon fiber mirrors, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.